On number 3, before I can find my LCD, I need to factor every denominator. So that first one is going to be x plus 5, x minus 5. And my LCD is going to be x plus 5, x minus 5. So I need to multiply each fraction by this. Okay, so now I want to cancel everything that can be canceled. And then no fractions should be left. So I have 32 on the left, and I have 4 x minus 5 plus 2 x plus 5. So if I distribute, this is going to be 4x minus 20 plus 2x plus 10. Almost forgot my 32. I need to combine like terms. This will be 6x minus 10. If I add 10 to both sides, it's 42 is equal to 6x. And then divide both sides by 6, and x is equal to 7. And if you plug in 7 into any of your original denominators, it does not make it 0. So 7 is our final answer.